Before we get started, what do you guys think of this number? It's pretty big, right? $7.4 trillion. This shows how big the real estate investment market is in the world, which is obviously a huge market, but it grows slowly these days. What about this one? 5,000%. This is a number of year-on-year rate increase of cryptocurrency market. As you can see from this graph, it surges this much from last year, and it said the market will hit $1 trillion in 2018. What if we can integrate these two markets? Don't you think the real estate investment market goes rapidly? Well, we will make this happen by the platform called Rect. Rect is a platform where anyone can trade real estate from all over the world by cryptocurrency. In the Rect platform, you can turn your own property into tokens. And you can sell these tokens to the world. Investors or buyers can easily purchase these tokens by Bitcoin or Ethereum or Rect token, which we will issue through this ICO. There is no lower limit to buy these tokens. You can start from buying it from just one token, which means you can start real estate investment from just $1. Since anyone can issue their property tokens to a public, you can think of Rect as a real estate version of an ICO platform. Now, let me tell you how Rect platform will evolve the real estate investment market. Let's take a look at current option of real estate investment. There are two major purposes to it. One, buying actual property like housing or building, or investing in REIT, which is stand for Real Estate Investment Trust. And the Rect will be a third option of the real estate investment. Turning real estate into tokens makes an investment cost even lower compared to how it is on REIT, which will lower the barriers to entry into this market for those whose investment budget is limited. Moreover, by offering a platform where people can invest in properties with cryptocurrency, attracts individuals who have cryptocurrency but have never done real estate investment. Rect has the potential to make a new trend for starting real estate investment from incredible low prices with cryptocurrency. Because of these reasons, low investment cost and real estate investment by cryptocurrency, Rect will bring more people into this market. And it will grow the market size of the real estate market. Now, I'll tell you why we can make it. I will show you why we can make it. So there's three reasons. First, we are a well-known real estate tech company called ITANDI, focusing on AI solutions and blockchain technology in Japan. We've been working in this field for 7 years already, so we have a variety of knowledge in this field. So I am very sure that our knowledge will be able to achieve this project. Second of all, we've already launched a web platform called HEYAZINE COIN, where you can purchase real estate in Japan by cryptocurrency. All the property listed are from Tokyo, because these have a high return compared to other places in Tokyo. At last, we actually own a building in Japan, and which we've been developing, and it is almost ready to be tokenized. And this building will be our first project and first token to be traded at Rect platform. In the future, we will have anyone able to make their own property into tokens and sell these tokens to everyone who is interested in purchasing. Because of these reasons, I am barely sure that this ICO won't be a pipe dream, but we will make this happen. And Rect platform will be a future of real estate marketplace. To make this project come true, we've been holding pre-sale right now. So if you're interested in joining pre-sale, or would like to know more detail about it, you can come talk to us at the booth. Or you can just Google Rect ICO, and then you can find a white paper out there. Thank you so much for having us today. Thank you.